Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can install Python on your operating system. So first thing, you need to open your favorite browser and search on the address bar Anaconda. Once you enter Anaconda, then you need to open the second one link that will appear inside the search engine. Second one link, right? Open that. Inside that you need to open the download, you need to click on the download button. Inside this page have a Python 3.7 version 2 setup available, like a graphically installer and command line installer. The size will be too large, like 673 MB and also 542 MB. Inside this installer have a bunch of files, mates, Anaconda libraries and many other Python libraries available inside the installer. If you have a Mac OS, just click on Mac OS. If you have a Linux, you can select the Linux version and download the graphical installer on your operating system, right? Once you download the graphically installer on your operating system, then you need to install it. The installation process is very simple. I will teach with you how you can install it, but this is a too large size of the installer. I will download the small size of the installer without libraries. So how I can download the small size Python installer? So you need to go on, guys, code, just a minute, conda.io. You need to open that conda.io. Inside that you need to click on the mini conda. Inside that you need to select the particular version, like 64-bit or 32-bit. If you have basically Mac OS, you need to select the 64-bit or 64-bit package. Now if you have Linux, you need to select the you can select the 64 or 32-bit. In my case, I have a Windows and I will download the 64-bit. Click on that. You need to select the path or location you want to download it, but in my case I leave that and I'm gonna open this directory. Inside the directory have a miniconda dot. This is my basically Python version. I'm gonna double click on it and just click next, agree, just me, and select location or path. I'm gonna select the location. Okay, I'm gonna change the directory. Basically I'm gonna use Anaconda and click on this one, add Anaconda to my path environment variable and register Anaconda in my default. Okay, install it and wait a couple of seconds to install a Python on your operating system. Then I will teach with you how you can run the Python script on your operating system, guys. Now once the installation has been completed, now you need to go on, click on next and uncheck them and click to finish. Now let's create a Python script on your code editor and how we can run the Python script on your computer. So I'm gonna open my code editor and Notepad++, right? Inside Notepad++ I will write the Python script. So I'm gonna save this file, save as, on my desktop and write the file name. I'm gonna use demo.py. Py means this is a Python script, or you can say that Python file. Hit enter and I'm gonna use print function, parentheses. Inside the parentheses I'm gonna use single quotation. Inside the single quotation I'm gonna use hello guys, we are learning Python, right? Save that. I'm gonna run this file, or I'm gonna run the Python script and display the hello guys, we are learning Python. How I can do that, guys? There are very simple process. Go to CMD, find the CMD, and this file is located on my desktop. So first thing, you need to go on desktop, write the command cd desktop. Inside the desktop you will able to use the Python script. So I'm going to use file name. First I'm going to use Python file name. The file name is a py demo dot and py. I hit enter, then you are able to see hello guys, we are learning Python. It means we are able to see Python script data has been appeared on my console script. Now another thing is, I'm going to use another command like clear, and I'm going to use Python on my command prompt. I can do that. Just write Python. This is a single line command prompt. After writing Python, then you are able to see 3 greater than sign has been appeared. It means you are able to use Python. So I'm going to use print hello guys, we are learning Python. Hit enter, and you are able to see same thing appeared on my console screen. If you want to close that, you just write cute parentheses opening and close. Hit enter, and you are able to see I am able to check the desktop files and many other things. So this video is all about how we can install Python and how you can run the Python script on your operating system. I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting updates. Have a nice day guys.